Those for and against agree on one thing. The legislation is likely to change, but the modifications will be potentially based on findings from the Juvenile System Oversight Commission.
When people feel safe, when people feel like justice is going to be served, we actually have a better chance of getting convictions, and we have a better chance of actually closing cases.
Governor Wes Moore is talking about a package of public safety bills. He then penned contentious legislation that reforms the juvenile justice system.
But this is probably one of the most controversial and hard issues that we have, because at the end of the day, what we're talking about are kids. We're talking about kids who need the supports and diversion and accountability to change their trajectories.
The new law creates a commission that will have a critical oversight role. They will analyze the system and measure the effectiveness of programs. Juvenile court will have expanded jurisdictions over kids ages 10 to 12 who are charged with third-degree sex offenses, gun violations, and aggravated animal cruelty. The new law requires juvenile services to notify the court, the state's attorney, and the child's attorney for any violation of supervision. The court has the authority to extend probation if the child has 2 unexcused absences from programs. House Speaker Adrian Jones defended the measure, saying the current system is not working.
Children in the system do not have clear pathways to rehabilitation, and there is no meaningful oversight of this process.
814 has got to go.
Reform measures drew protests from the Maryland Youth Justice Coalition and others. The coalition says the bill means more incarceration for kids as young as 10. It will not make Maryland safer. It will harm our youth and push them into the system. City State's Attorney Ivan Bates led the charge for changes, even though he didn't get everything he wanted. He believes the bill is something to build on.
I definitely feel it's a step in the right direction.
Budget legislation also signed by the governor earmarks $1 billion for youth intervention programs. Creating the Oversight Commission begins June 1st. The entire bill goes into effect November 1st. Reporting from Annapolis, David Collins, WBIL TV 11 News.